All right, so yeah, I said I wasn't gonna do a video on the interior, so, but damn, I'm tripping, touching this red stuff with my gloves. But I'm gonna just give y'all a good little rundown on it. Anyway, it's simple. I ain't gonna lie, you really don't need a tutorial on it, except for certain things, and that's the things I'm gonna show you in this video. So I'm gonna give you an overview though. First thing first, your seats. You're gonna want to take your seats out, which is gonna be some E14 bolts. If you can move your seats, that'll be great. If you can't, that's when it'll be a little harder and you gotta take the seat mount bolts out. But these seats moving, so it's E14, 1, 2, it's 4 of them, of course, each corner of the seat, front and back. The back seats, if you got a charger, you probably already know, but you don't do nothing but reach up under them. All you do is reach up under and damn. My bad. I was trying to make it look easy, but I ain't got a good grip or a good position. But all you do is reach up under them in the middle and boom, pull them up. They pop right up. The back seat bolts, that's very self-explanatory, so I know I ain't got to show that. I'll show y'all when I get to the wiring harness part, but yeah, let me go ahead and get this motherfucker broke down. All right, so now I'm on the interior, y'all. So boom, you got you, like I said, E14, which is a socket like that, if you can tell what that is. 1, 2 is one on each corner on both front seats. So, you know, that's self-explanatory. If you still got your battery, you're gonna have to connect the battery if you don't, if you can. And to let the seat up and back to access them, I got the seat all the way up. I'm taking this nut out for the seat belt, and then you gotta go down to the bottom too. It's gonna be some damn, I just think I just put my T50 up, but it's gonna be T50 bolts at the bottom for the seat belt. And yeah, it's T50 for those two if you need these, which I don't need them. They in the other car, so I ain't gotta. I'm gonna just take this part off. It's just clips for all this stuff, so you can really just pop it off. Sometimes you might need the clip popper to get it in there good and get them out without bending or nothing. So if you like, especially at the top of this, you be needing sometimes to reach up in there with the clip popper and pop that out. Damn, y'all, hold the fuck up. Where that motherfucker just go? Damn, that's all what happened. I thought that's what happened. I've been putting in work with that motherfucking T50, and look what happened, y'all. That's my only T50, I think. So if that's the case, I'm gonna have to stop for the night. I get back with y'all tomorrow then. Once I get me another T50, I'm gonna have to go to Harbor Freight in the morning. And I'm gonna try to find me an impact one. Cause yeah, I be impacting the shit out of that motherfucker. Like, I use it for the drive shafts and the seat belts. And everything I use it for is some Loctited strong shit. Like I said, it's been through a few, it's been this, like this is exact, the one that just broke, it's been through at least like 6, 7 swaps, so. Shit, that ain't bad, But damn. Oh well, time to clean up. I was ready to stop anyway. I just was trying to be lazy. Honestly though, y'all, I could still get active with this motherfucker though. Cause all I gotta do, I can sit the seat out of the car. Seat better still stay connected. I ain't finna stop, y'all. No lazy shit, no lazy shit. All right, so you don't break that or nothing. You literally just push it in like that and boom. Boom. Simple as hell. And then normally you would go down here and get that off. Make sure you don't break these. These are what have lights and shit on there. Make sure you do not break them. It's a little red tab. You gonna put a flathead at the top of it, pop that out, and then just, you know what I'm saying, work it up out of there, wiggle it up out, work it. Just don't break it. These, don't unplug these. Like, if you see these anywhere, do not unplug these so you don't, you know what I'm saying, know where it go right back there. All you gotta do is just hit it with a 10 millimeter and take it off. That's all you gotta do, y'all. So anyway, I told y'all what to do with the seats. I'm finna go and knock the seats out. Then I'm gonna show y'all how to do the back seats and the center console and everything else. As you can see, man, The interior is stripped. It's dirty as hell in here. I can't wait to get it in there and vacuum it before I put it all the way back together. But I said the interior strip, I think, but I think that's what I said. I ain't mean to say that because it's not, but yeah. All right, so like I said, I got the center console up. For that, I'll show you what that is. It's simple. It's real simple. All you gotta do, open up the center compartment, and you're gonna see it's gonna be a little thing down there, a little rubber thing. You pull it up in the center compartment. In the bottom, you're gonna have 4 bolts that hold it. Besides that, you're gonna have 2 little screws right here and shit. That's all that really holds it in. That's all that holds the center console down. You don't gotta take the shifter up. You're gonna see them 4 bolts on the shifter. You do not have to take them out. You can leave it down there. And yeah. So the center console is up. Hey, this little piece, you gotta pop it off each side. And you're gonna see you got some 10mm bolts. Don't do these screws, just do the bolts. As you can see, that's going from the metal to that. There's little screws and stuff like the screws like that and that's for the skin. So if you ain't change the skin, don't do that either way because you're pulling the whole dash out. So just you want to get right here, and right here. Let me go ahead and pull this shit up out the way too. That's another good thing. That car got airbags already, so I ain't gotta do no airbags. Anyway, it's just 10mm though. Take them out. On each side, it's gonna be the same thing. And I'll show y'all when I get to the top of the dash. Oh yeah, but it's a 10mm right here on each side that you gotta take out too for the dash. You might forget that one and be wondering why your dash ain't coming out. Something still holding it. It's gonna be them. But yeah. Go ahead, boom, unplug that. This one over here too, I'm gonna unplug. And then I'm gonna show y'all how you get the dash off. Yep. Now, pull the dash to you as much as you can. And now, what you gotta do is get up here, pull this back, and you're gonna see everything that you need to unplug. This is no doubt the hardest part. It work because on the ground is just sliding. Like I said, that's my stopping point for the night. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and show y'all how to get this out. Oh, anyway, let me clean up and go get some food, y'all. I'm tired.